Are you handling your customer relationships the right way? Delays in mapping the customer journey mean you're not. You track, follow up, and call hundreds of customers daily. But those details don't show up automatically in Insightly, so you are stuck re-entering them again and again. Total hassle, right? What if your phone system worked with your CRM, not around it? KrispCall's integration with Insightly makes that possible. Every call, SMS, and contact log updates instantly in your CRM. And it gets even better. You can make calls and send SMS directly from Insightly. Without a delay, let's get you started. Log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to the integrations and search for Insightly. Click to connect, and KrispCall will prompt for your Insightly details. Head over to Insightly, go to your profile, and click on User Settings. Copy your API key and enter it into KrispCall. Great! Your Insightly CRM is now integrated successfully. With KrispCall integrated into Insightly, you can customize settings in just a few easy steps. Use general settings to tailor how your data flows between platforms. For more precision, configure workflow settings to define how specific tasks are synced as you need them. Also, assign one or all numbers you want to connect for calls and SMS to simplify log management. Now, you don't have to manually update contacts in your CRM. Either create one or upload hundreds with CSV. Contacts added in KrispCall sync instantly to Insightly, eliminating the repeated ones. Along with contacts, every call log, SMS, note, and tag stays organized right inside your CRM. With contacts synced, you are ready to make calls directly from Insightly. To start, install KrispCall's dialer extension on your browser for an uninterrupted calling process. Once the dialer is installed, open the contact you want to make a call to and click the KrispCall icon. Select the call option and you're ready for the call. And those important notes and tags you make during the call, everything syncs automatically. Need to reach out to customers with an SMS? Click the KrispCall icon and choose the SMS option. Now, type your message and send it directly. And if you miss a call, voicemail links get updated too, with a clickable link for you to listen and take action immediately. Don't wait. Start using KrispCall integration in your Insightly CRM today. Eliminate repetitive entries, reach more customers, build stronger relationships, and grow your business faster with KrispCall.